Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Rimsha Decoration. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or are like me, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and please make sure press the bell icon. So you told any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, please buy this video to end. So guys, I am back with another beautiful idea about birthday cake decorations in different styles, different color combination and different sizes. Here are some amazing, delicious and eye-catching cake decorating ideas that suit both homeland and professional parties. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. If you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, please watch this video to end. Thank you so much guys for watching my YouTube video. I hope you enjoy the designs of creativity. I hope you enjoy my video. The creativity are mentioned on my YouTube video. All the designs look so attractive, so stylish. Thank you so much guys for watching my YouTube video and collecting my beautiful channel in these types of designs. I hope this design and this creativity are fantastic. I hope this video is very scientific and creative for your beautiful idea, beautiful creativity. All the designs look so attractive, so stylish. All the designs are amazing, so trending, so stylish. All the designs are very unique and trending. Cake decorating ideas can elevate any celebrations. Cake decorating ideas transfer space into bright celebrations. If you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. If you like more ideas, specific decorating tips, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. If you have any question about my YouTube channel, then please ask me in comment box. I hope you love the designs of creativity. You can use e-theme perfect for birthday celebrations. You can use e-theme perfect for birthday celebrations, baby showers, bridal showers, groom shower, anniversary and other celebrations. I hope you like this design with theme and color combinations. Whether simple or beautiful cake showcase love and celebrations. I am sure cake decoration ideas from this video. If you like any designs, then take a screenshot of it and also to try my amazing cake recipe. They are so easy to make and absolutely delicious. All the designs look so attractive, so stylish, so amazing and so beautiful. If you want to see more make party decoration ideas, cake decoration ideas or another celebration idea, then please visit my channel. Thank you so much everyone. See you tomorrow with a new video. Until take care yourself and people around you. Allah Hafiz.